That's right.
Good flip?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Big day. Oh, makes you put on a hat and face the world. They have cool hunting hats.
Oh, yeah. We should change it.
They're like brown and a green hunting hat.
Grant, you ready to come out?
Look at this guy. Have you mastered the swaddle yet? Are you ready for that? I can show you. I'm very good at it. Most of them can get out of it no matter what. They're like beanies. You turn your back.
Here we go.
Comes out of a box. How'd you get out of a box? Wait a minute. How'd you get underneath the bassinet?
Nurses always do really good though.
Yeah, they do. Well, they
Oh,
do
of
it
course.
okay.
Yay!
Look at this.
See? You're gonna
Can you
pass.
hold it? Yeah. See if you pass the test.
That's right.
What is it? What are the
This
test
is a
monitoring
test.
picture now?
Yeah, see if you can stay out here
Hi.
and be fine.
Hello.